With expenses, there are two ways to basically enter this. So you can start by entering it manually. So we're going to do a manual example right here. So let's say I want to do groceries. And so I pick the category. It's going to be food, and category is groceries. Let's say I spend $400 a week on groceries. And so this payment source paid it from my credit card, which is the credit card I entered earlier, or I paid it from my bank account. So let's say I use my credit card. I put all my expenses on my credit card, which is really the best strategy, because then you'll collect points as long as you pay it off by the end of the billing period. Then you're pretty much getting free money. So I paid it from my credit card, and so let's say I do I shop every Saturdays. End date again is optional. Do a save, and it now appears in our expense tracker. The second way to enter expenses is if the expense was paid on our credit cards. For example, we go to credit card, and there's here you can upload your credit card statement, and then Henry will just automatically read your credit card statement and make the entries in your expenses, automatically categorize them, and then they would appear here as the list of expenses right in your expense list. So right now this is only available for our Canadian users and for certain cards. So when you see this option, then you know that credit card you can import all of your statements, and you can import all your expenses. If this option is not available to you, you just go ahead and enter the rest of your information. So for example, rent, mortgage, I don't know, $3,200 a month in rent. Now I can't pay my rent on my credit card, so I have to use my bank account, and I usually pay rent, the first of the month. So in this example, if you're paying this every month and it's the same amount, then you can check reoccurring, and it's going to be a reoccurring rent, because that usually doesn't change. And if you have auto pay, so this means that it just automatically comes out of your bank account, which most rents would. You check auto pay for this one. Save. Now I've got all my expenses.